Good morning, students. Welcome to Word to Reach of Indian Express. So the main news here is India counters Pak attacks on west and north fronts. So these were the areas where Pakistan has escalated the situation and drone attacks were done and India was able to handle it. So we have used S-400 Akash missiles. Here in this news, India's flagship surface-to-air missile system like S-400, Barak-8 medium-range surface-to-air missile and indigenous Akash missiles are mentioned. You have to cover these from your exam perspective. Also, Saudi, Iran and US and EU, they have come up for the support for a direct dialogue. So this is the role of international community. Also, Lahore air defense system was neutralized by Indian forces. Also, news related to your GS paper 2, sir. Delhi has planning to start a unified data hub in which all the information related to its citizens will be consolidated so that eligible people can avail benefit for the welfare scheme. So in this you can use this thing in the GS paper 2. The thing is we have to eliminate the exclusion errors in our welfare schemes. Next is cleaning Yamuna will require more than money. It will need a plan. Yamuna pollution issue is a very big thing, so it need to be tackled properly. Next is BrahMos manufacturing unit set to be unveiled in Lucknow. Here I want you to go through the BrahMos details of BrahMos missile. Miles kills 3 Greyhounds commandos of Telangana in landmine blast. It is related to your internal security issue, so you have to cover it. 42-year-old Kerala woman test positive for Nipah virus. It is important from GS paper 3 perspective, so know about the details of Nipah virus. Blackouts in western border cities. During the night time, as the matter escalated between India and Pakistan, blackouts happened in the border cities and the drone attacks of Pakistan were neutralized by Indian forces. How air defense system work? Please go through this article. This is important because it explains how our defense system, air defense system works. In the editorial section, a just payback. Operation Sindoor was in retaliation to what Pakistan has done on the Indian land. So please go through it. A longer pause as Trump's tariff policies play out, the US Fed holds the rate steady. So you need to know more about the tariff war that is going on. Pakistan's self-defeating projects of subterfuge and terrorism have squandered the goodwill upon which the Indus Water Treaty stood. India and Pakistan's position and the Indus Water Treaty is well explained here. US-UK strike deal to mutually lower tariffs. So this is also related to tariff war. GS paper 3. India to retaliate if United Kingdom introduce carbon tax. What is carbon tax? You need to know about it and what is the situation here. So these were the news which you have to cover from the today's perspective from Indian Express. Thank you.